following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please do not turn off your device, as this is really important to view this alert, as this is pertaining to an ongoing global emergency. Our world is coming to an end. There were reports of riots, and the 4th of July virus reported all across the globe. Many evil riots have appeared in many major cities across the globe. Many people were seen suffering painful and agonizing deaths after looking at the fireworks. The 4th of July virus has spread extremely fast, and thus has no cure. The bottom line is, from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, at the rate that these riots and the 4th of July virus is spreading, it is estimated that the rest of the globe will experience evil riots and the 4th of July virus within the next 40 minutes. At this time of the broadcast, all residents across the United States, as well as the rest of the world, gather everyone in your family and friends, and await your final moments together on earth. If you are part of a religious group, pray to your God or gods, and repent. The President has moved to an undisclosed location and selected a verse from the Bible, as well as the Book of Mormon, to be played over the air for the final time. 2 Corinthians 8:16. Thanks be to God, who put into the heart of Titus the same concern I have for you. Now for verse of the Book of Mormon. I would that ye should come unto Christ, who was the Holy One of Israel, and partake of his salvation, and the power of his redemption. Yea, come unto him, and offer your whole souls as an offering unto him, and continue in fasting and praying, and endure to the end. And if the Lord liveth, ye will be saved. We will now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system. We will now sign off for the final time with one last playing of our national anthem. Once the national anthem is ended, all TV stations will pitch black for the final time. On behalf of the President, thank you for being part of the American dream. May God have mercy on us all. We will play our national anthem now. Goodbye forever.